Hello scholars, welcome to ELIC 23. I am so glad you're here and I'm looking forward to meeting you on Wednesday. With this video, I just wanted to show you how to navigate our class in Canvas. For some of you who do not know what Canvas is, it's kind of a platform where you can find your grades, you can find your assignments, you can do your assignments, and you can communicate with me and other students in class. To find Canvas, you need to go to mgc.edu and then you will click on Canvas in the right upper corner. You will have to log in. If you've never done it, there should be information how to do it. It used to be you had to click on forget or forgot password to be able to kind of log in. But if you already know how to log in, once you click on it and log in, you will be able to see different courses that you are taking this semester. So depending on how many courses you're taking, that's how many of these shells you will see. Then you will click on our class to be able to view information about our class. Once you click on it, it will take you to our welcome page. And on this page, you will have all the information you need in order to kind of navigate Canvas. There's my information. If you need to contact me, if you have questions, email is the best way to reach me. And here is my address. Here's the date and time of our class. We only meet on Wednesdays at 12 o'clock for an hour and a half. How are you going to meet me? You're going to click on this link, Class Zoom link. Once you click it, it will take you straight to Zoom. And I will be there on Wednesday at noon. If you can log in to Zoom maybe 5 minutes before to make sure that your internet is working, that your computer is working, I should be there already to welcome you. So that would be great. You also have listed here my office hours. That's when I am available to students to answer any questions you may have regarding the assignments or our class. And here are the times and days when I'm available every week. Please, I ask students that they email me ahead of time that you would like to meet me. I am available during this time, but I may not be necessarily on Zoom. I might be helping students with assignments and away from Zoom. So if you email me, I'll make sure to be there. So that's the class Zoom. This is the office hours Zoom link. So if you need to see me and I will say, okay, we're meeting, let's say on Tuesday at 2 o'clock, this is the link that you will click to meet with me and I'll be there. But another link here that I have for you is modules. Modules is where all your assignments will be and also where your grades will be. So once you click on modules, you'll be taken to the module page. You can also reach modules by clicking on the modules word right here in the left column. It will take you to the same page. So what are modules? Modules are kind of like folders, and this is one module. This module is called Course Introduction, and this is where you see all the information about the course and what to expect from the course. That's where I included my syllabus for the class for you. So this is the module, and again, to open it, you just need to click on this little arrow. This is the module I would like you to look at before the class starts. So as you can see, there are a lot of pages here. You just need to click. Every single page is kind of a link. So if you click on it, some information will open. I would like you to go through every single page one by one. Don't skip any information because you will need to know all of this information. The more you skip, the less you will know and the more questions you will have. But I work very hard to include as much information that you may need this semester as possible so that you feel comfortable in this class. At the end, you have a syllabus here. So when you click on that, it will take you to another link to open the syllabus. For this class, remember the syllabus is kind of kind of like a set of rules for the course. So if you click on that, it will take you to a document. And then when you click next here, it will take you to a very short quiz just to see how much you remember from that syllabus. You can go back to the syllabus to check the information and then go back to the quiz to answer the questions. This is the fun quiz. I call it a fun quiz because you can take it as many times as you feel like it to score 100%. So make sure you do so that you get your points for this fun quiz. So you will see a couple more modules opened. Zoom information is where I will include also the Zoom links for the class. Although the home page already has the Zoom links, I just try to make it accessible for students and put it in multiple places. We will talk about the late assignment opportunity when I meet with you next week, but this will be open for you. There will be also discussion forums open. We will also talk about that too. And then you will have weekly modules. Every week during our class, I will open another module for you. So this coming week will be our week 1 module. As we meet on next week, I will open that module. I will show you all the assignments. I don't want to open right now. I don't want you to get overwhelmed. It's actually very easy, but sometimes students feel like, oh, I don't know what it is. They have a lot of questions. I just want you to relax, and I want you to focus on this course introduction module. So if you can read this information, write down questions if you have any, and then we can talk about your questions on Wednesday when we meet in class. But other than that, I would like you to enjoy this class. As you can see, we have 16 weeks coming up, right? So every week I will open one module. And just to show you what the modules will look like, the first one is super short. You will see, and again, you won't see it before our class. I'm just going to show you right now how to kind of navigate each module. But each module will start with a welcome page where I will welcome you to the week. I will see how much energy you have and show you what the week will be about, what kind of assignments we will have. This week's timeline will include all your homework for the week. And then you will see different assignments. And this is also something I would like you to pay attention to. This kind of symbol means that this is just a page. So there will be information there. This kind of symbol with that little pen, that's an assignment. So that's the one where you will have to submit something in this particular page, right? And there's another one here. This one is a discussion board, and that's where students put some information in there. Again, I will talk in detail about this on Wednesday when we meet, so no worries. But there's another one I would like you to see, and this one is either a survey or a quiz, but that's a different symbol for you to know. But this is it for now. I just wanted to show you again how to kind of navigate Canvas, how to get in here, how to find the Zoom link for our class on Wednesday and also for our office hours. But here are the links, and I am looking forward to meeting all of you. I am looking forward to having fun this semester, and I'm looking forward to your learning a lot. So welcome again to ELIC 23, and see you on Wednesday.